Wow, this cake has been nicely demoted. This is eggless chocolate cake. Welcome to Soumi's Cuisine. Today I'm going to show how to make eggless chocolate cake. Let's get started. For making this eggless chocolate cake, here I'm taking 1 and 1/4 cup or around 170 grams of flour. Now sifting it through sieve. Now adding 1/4 cup or 2 tablespoons or 20 grams of cocoa powder through sieve. Adding 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of baking powder. Adding half a teaspoon or 2.5 grams of baking soda. Now mixing this dry ingredients mixture thoroughly with the spoon. After mixing, now keeping it aside. Now greasing this mold with this odorless colorless cooking oil. Now lining this mold with this butter paper in this way. Please watch. My mold is ready, now keeping it aside. Here in a separate bowl taking half a cup or 90 grams of odorless colorless cooking oil, taking 1 cup or 120 grams of powdered sugar and half a cup or 100 grams of sour curd. And now mixing it thoroughly with this hand whisk. Adding 1 teaspoon or 5 ml of vanilla essence and again mixing it thoroughly with this hand whisk. Adding dry ingredients mixture through sieve in this liquid ingredients mixture. Please don't add all these dry ingredients mixture at a time in this liquid ingredients mixture and mixing it with this hand wax very gently. In this way, I am adding rest of the dry ingredients mixture in 2 to 3 batches and mixing it with this hand wax very gently. Please watch. Here I am taking 1 cup or 200 ml room temperature milk. Now I am adding this 200 ml or 1 cup of milk in this mixture. Please don't add this 1 cup of milk at a time in this mixture. Here I am adding this 1 cup or 200 ml milk in 3 to 4 batches in this mixture and mixing it very gently with this hand wax in this way. Here I am swirling the hand wax in this way and mixing it very gently. Please watch. Now I'm folding it with spatula. Here I'm making a figure of 8. This is one kind of folding technique. Need this free flow consistency batter. Now I'm pouring this batter in this already greased mold. Now tapping this mold in 3 to 4 times to get rid of the air bubbles. After preheating this oven at 160 degrees Celsius, this is low rack. Now I am putting this low rack inside this oven and placing this mold on this low rack. Now baking it for 40 to 45 minutes. After 40 minutes, I will check. After 40 minutes, I am taking it out and checking it with toothpick. Please see, toothpick does not come clean. Again, I am baking it for 5 to 6 minutes. After 45 minutes, taking it out from the oven and checking it with toothpick. toothpick comes clean. So my cake has been baked perfectly. Now it is very hot, so I'm covering it with this cotton cloth. Now this cake is at room temperature, so I'm removing the cotton cloth and demolding it. This is the final outcome of today's eggless chocolate cake. Though crack comes on the top, but it doesn't matter. At the time of decoration, I will remove it. Please like, comment and share. Please subscribe to my channel. Keep well. Thank you.